Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow unknown apps on your Android device. Just go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down and look for Security and Privacy. There it is, and going down to the more additional security privacy settings down here. And there should be an option in here for Install Unknown Apps. Tap that, and go to your browser, your files, etc., and just allow it. So files by Google, I'm just going to allow it. This one doesn't give me the option to click it for some reason. But then we got Google, we got this option right here. So you have to allow under here to install the APK that you're trying to download, whether it's like Fortnite or something like that. We can go back to the browser. For some reason I wasn't able to download Fortnite on this tablet, even though I clicked download. But just accept it under the application you're using, and you should be able to open up now. And when you download the file, it should be under Files now. And it'll probably be in your Downloads folder right here. And then you can just open it up. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.